Hello, everybody. Today, we'll be talking about the mother of deforestation, coral bleaching, and sea level rise. This dilemma is climate change. We cannot solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used to create them. As Mr. Albert Einstein said, in order to stop our problem, we need to know how it's occurring and ways to stop it. Climate change is a long-term problem in the Earth's atmosphere, especially change due to the increase in average atmospheric temperature. Some impacts of climate change are destructive erosion, sea level rise, loss of habitats for plants and animals, and increase in atmospheric temperature. First, let's go over greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are a group of compounds that are able to trap heat as long-wave radiation in the atmosphere, keeping the Earth's surface warmer than if it were not present. Some examples of greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, hydrofluorocarbons, and chlorofluorocarbons. Because of climate change, we can clearly see the melting ice. Ice caps in West Antarctica and Greenland are melting. This ice is releasing water in the ocean and making the sea level rise. Due to the increase in temperature in water, small islands will be flooded. Great loss of life will occur when the animals and plants that once thrived in these habitats go extinct. So now let's talk about the items that are actually helping stop climate change. During the 20th century, many people have realized the benefits of going green. Going green means to lead a more environmentally friendly decisions and lifestyles, which can help protect the environment. Going green helps the environment release less greenhouse gases and depend on more renewable resources. Many cities now have wind turbines to help use more wind power. We need to curb four pollutants. These are methane, black carbon, ozone, and hydrofluorocarbons. So, what are some technologies that are helping slow down climate change? Some examples of these are electric cars, windmills, and solar panels. When we think of electric cars, we think of slow and bulky cars, but this assumption is wrong. There are many electric cars that are making the supercar and hypercar list. The Tesla Roadster 2.0 and the Rimac Concept 1 are some examples. Windmills are unique because they take up relatively less space and they use the wind's kinetic energy to obtain power. When we think of windmills, we think of the normal sunflower type, but now there are new windmills such as the egg beater version. These windmills are set in group of 10, and they're different from the traditional windmills because egg beater windmills can use the wind that the windmill next to them generates. The traditional windmill can't do this because they expel the air that the windmill next to them generates. Also, there are many mini-shaped windmills which are powering Wi-Fi places, shops, and electric street signs. Solar panels are also a great way to not only go green, but to be financially better as well. The traditional solar panel takes up about 2 to 4 inches on your roof. Now, with new advances, you can get solar panels as thin as 2 centimeters. There are also flexible solar panels which can cover your whole roof, including the corners. But the best solar panel out there are solar tiles. Solar tiles are a great saver on money because they only cost the installation. After that, there's no need to pay the light bill anymore. Also, the new solar flowers are also a great invention because it catches the suns every single minute of the day due to it being able to turn and spin. Also, each petal can clean itself because it has installed brushes on itself. A major excuse of gas companies is the need to obtain petroleum to manufacture plastic items. But a new company called Oliware is obtaining to tackle this. It makes edible cups and straws made out of seaweed. Many youth call them a thick fruit roll-up. Another company called Bakey's, based in Hyderabad, India, is making cutlery from millet. This is great because not only can you eat them, but they biodegrade in a short span of time. A third company named Biotrem in Poland manufactures edible plates, bowls, and cutlery made from wheat bran. These are all great biodegradable cutlery. An average of 35 billion plastic bottles are thrown into the ocean each year. Now, a new company called Ojo is creating an edible water bubble. This bubble is made from seaweed and plant membrane, and if not consumed, biodegrades in 4 to 6 weeks. Bags are also a dilemma that we need to face. Recently, a new company called Atna has made biodegradable bags you can dissolve in water for humans to drink. It is strong and degrades in just a few months. A third company, named Saltwater Brewery, is creating edible six-pack rings. Since this item is made from wheat bran, when the marine life eat them, they'll be healthy and nourished. Climate change may be a daunting figure that we, the next generation, will need to face. But now, with new technology and ideas on the way, our hope for a better today and a better tomorrow are gradually coming true. Thank you for your time.